2019 question. If the equatorial plane of Earth is not inclined on its orbit, again Tamil Nadu NCERT, not inclined on its orbit. तो देखो जी inclined if on its orbit का क्या मतलब है? ऐसे सनरेज है, this part receive more insolation than this part during March to September phase, and hence temperature is different here, temperature is different here, hence there is season. Now let's just suppose this is not the case, and this is our Earth, and there is no inclination, and hence Sun. This is equator, this is Tropic of Cancer, this is Capricorn, this is Sun. So Sun is giving a lot of light here, but all of this light is distributed uniformly. Hence the difference between temperature will not be there. Hence no season. इसमें एक और सिनेरियो ऐड कर लो कि अगर इंक्लिनेशन बहुत ज़्यादा है, this is 23.5 inclination, let's just suppose 50 degrees, then this Sun will give northern hemisphere a lot more light and southern hemisphere lesser light. Then the difference between the seasons would be more, extreme difference होगा. तो तीनों सिनेरियो ध्यान रखने आपको. अब देखते हैं क्या आंसर है इसका. Is not inclined, ठीक है. Duration of the year would be longer, नहीं. Summer would be warmer, नहीं. There would be no change, yes, no change. C होना चाहिए इसका आंसर. And if you wish to cover entire syllabus of CDS and CAPF through topic wise PYQ, then this is the batch for you. आराम से आपका कट ऑफ क्लियर होगा अगर हर एक टॉपिक के PYQ के थ्रू रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग करके आप पढ़ाई करोगे. 3-day demo classes available, very limited size of batch, no notes making, and video lecture if you miss the class. You can message me on Telegram to book your demo.